Namaste. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Kanakalatha Raghavan, a classical dance teacher from Bengaluru, teaching Bharatanatyam for the past nearly 2 decades. Bharatanatyam, as most of you all know, is a traditional classical dance form that originated from southern part of India, mainly from Tamil Nadu. Natya Shastra by Bharatamuni and Abhinaya Darpana by Nandikeshwara is considered the original source of Bharatanatyam that said this is a universal dance form without boundaries, nationality, age, sex, color or creed. So welcome to learn this wonderful art form. You will enjoy the art form once you understand the basics and build up to the advanced level to a professional performer. Bharatanatyam is my passion. With the present pandemic situation, I've been teaching online with the aid of different video streaming technologies, and it has been very successful. While I was teaching, a thought occurred to me. What if I did record the lessons and share them so that it will benefit not only my students, but it will benefit any aspiring students anywhere in the world interested in learning this divine art. I am sure if the student follow my instructions and practice, basics of Bharatanatyam can be mastered. I consider this as a contribution to this wonderful art by spreading the knowledge, and someday I hope to see this as a global dance form. So let us get straight into the format of the lessons which I will be covering. Initially, I will cover the basic junior Bharatanatyam syllabus prescribed by the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. One important point I would like to emphasize to all my students is practice, practice, practice. If you don't understand any part of my explanation or have doubts, please post it in my comment section and I will do my best to reply to a question. I look forward into active participation from students in learning the new art, and as a benefit you will gain good concentration, body balance and relaxation. It is a custom in Hindu tradition to seek blessings of Lord Ganesha in beginning to learn a new skill. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumedeva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Meaning, O Lord Ganesha with a huge body, a curved elephant trunk and whose brilliance is equal to billions of suns, may you always remove all obstacles from my endeavors. So let us start with some basic exercises or warm-up exercises which we should do before we actually start to learn Bharatanatyam lessons.